A devil-may-care attitude towards torrential rain will be an advantage for the fish tailors. San Diego's twin town is Edinburgh. UNESCO World Heritage Site, engine room of the Enlightenment, host of the legendary festival, and home to the Stevens family. Craig, Debbie, Craig Jr., Kurt, and their cats, Rocky and Yin Yang.
So, you say pubs.
Inspired by his encounter with James, the spiritualist medium, frustrated musician Mike Fish Taylor has decided to apply himself to his songwriting again, with a little help from his wife T.
A sea shanty?
Yes, we could write a sea shanty. Or we could write a song about Rocky.
Well, that's a great idea.
I knew that there would be one eventually.
Snap with me.
Okay.
It's got a nice little cat-like stroll to it. Yeah. Alright, so it goes like this. Rocky the cat, he's sort of fat. And when you put food out, he knows just where it's at. Watch out, he bites. Yin Yang, he fights. And when you try to sleep, he wakes you up at night. Yeah. Do 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 do. And then it would go on from there. That's the little chorusy part. So that's what we've got started. How's that, buddy? Pretty exciting. Rocky the cat, he's sort of fat. And when you put food out, he knows just where it's at. Watch out, he bites. Yin Yang, he fights. And when you try to sleep, he wakes you up at night.
If you're going to do something